Did you know that your body is hiding secrets so strange they sound almost impossible? From bones that are stronger than steel, to a stomach that rebuilds itself every few days. Your body is doing things right now that you've probably never imagined. In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing facts about the human body that will completely change the way you see yourself. Stay tuned, because fact number 10 is something that even surprised doctors. So, get comfortable, maybe look at your own hands, your skin, your heartbeat, because by the end of this video, you'll realize your body is far more incredible than you ever thought. Fact 1, your brain uses 20% of your energy. Even when you're sitting still, doing absolutely nothing, your brain is burning a huge amount of fuel. In fact, it uses about 20% of all the calories and oxygen in your body. That means if you eat 5 meals in a day, one full meal goes just to power your thoughts. The brain is only about 2% of your total body weight, yet it controls everything: your heartbeat, your breathing, your emotions, and even your dreams. Next time you feel mentally exhausted after studying or working, remember, it's not just in your head. Your brain is literally consuming energy like a high-powered engine. Fact 2. Your bones are stronger than steel. If someone told you that your skeleton is stronger than steel, would you believe it? Well, it's true. Ounce for ounce, human bone is about 5 times stronger than a rod of steel of the same size. That's why your femur, the thigh bone, can support up to 30 times your body's weight. Imagine a small pillar holding up a car. That's what your bones are doing every single day. Yet they're lightweight, flexible, and constantly repairing themselves. Unlike steel, bones can heal after being broken. Isn't that amazing? Fact 4. You're replaced from the inside out. Your stomach lining is constantly under attack by powerful acid strong enough to dissolve razor blades. So how do you survive? Your stomach actually replaces its lining every 3 to 4 days. That means, every few days, you get a brand new stomach wall to keep you safe. And that's not all. Your skin replaces itself about every 27 days. Your red blood cells last about 120 days before being replaced. In other words, the you from a year ago isn't the same you today. You are literally a new person, rebuilt from the inside out. Fact 5. Your nose can remember 50,000 scents. We often think of dogs as having powerful noses, but did you know humans are much better at smelling than we give ourselves credit for? Your nose can distinguish and remember about 50,000 different scents. That's why a single smell like fresh rain, your favorite food, or even a perfume can bring back powerful memories from years ago. Scientists call this olfactory memory, and it's directly connected to the part of your brain that stores emotions. So, every time you say this smell reminds me of my childhood, it's not just your imagination, your brain is actually wired that way. Fact 6. Your blood travels thousands of miles. Your body has around 60,000 miles of blood vessels. To put that in perspective, if you stretched them all out, they could wrap around Earth more than twice. Every second, your blood cells are racing through this giant highway system, delivering oxygen, carrying away waste, and keeping you alive. And in just one drop of blood, there are about 5 million red blood cells, each carrying oxygen with the help of hemoglobin. It's like a non-stop delivery service, operating 24/7 for as long as you live. Fact 7. Your eyes are super cameras. Your eyes are so powerful that scientists compare them to the world's most advanced cameras. They can process around 10 million different colors, and they can adjust focus faster than any modern lens. And here's the wild part. Every hour, your eyes take in about 36,000 pieces of information. That's why you can recognize faces in a crowd, read words on a page, and still notice a small bug flying by, all in less than a second. Fact 8. You spend a third of your life sleeping. Sleep may feel like doing nothing, but it's one of the most active times for your body. During sleep, your brain cleans out toxins, strengthens memories, and even makes new connections. In fact, you'll spend about 1/3 of your life asleep. If you live 75 years, that's 25 years of your life spent dreaming, repairing, and restoring. So the next time you feel guilty for sleeping in, just remember, your body is literally recharging itself for survival. Fact 9. Your ears never stop hearing. Even when you're asleep, your ears are still working. That's why loud noises can wake you up in the middle of the night. Your brain is trained to filter sound, ignoring things like background hums, but paying attention to sudden changes, like footsteps or alarms. And here's something cool. The smallest bones in your body are inside your ears. The hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. They're no bigger than a grain of rice, yet they let you hear the entire world around you. Fact 10. You're electric. Yes, your body is electric. Right now, tiny electrical signals are firing across your nerves, controlling every movement, thought, and heartbeat. If you added up all the electricity produced in your lifetime, it would be enough to power a small light bulb continuously. In fact, doctors use this electricity every day in heart monitors and brain scans. Without it, you wouldn't even be alive. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you are not ordinary. You are a walking miracle, built with mysteries that even scientists are still trying to fully understand. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering the secrets of the human body, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.